In-game po kami ngayon, sorry guys. Exhausted.
We're going to eat lechon.
Official report of naging reporter. Si OA.
Pag-practice ka na.
So, nandito tayo sa Mactan Airport. Tapos, kunin natin si
Si Vincent.
Vincenzo. Kaso, ano po, 11:30 pa siya. So, tambay muna tayo sa Starbucks. Huwag nyo.
Huwag niyo kami cancel.
Diba?
Hi! Welcome to Cebu.
Hello po.
So, how was your flight?
Bingi pa rin ako. Hindi pa rin ako marinig.
Ano, grabe yung ano,
Ha?
yung time difference.
Oo, Singapore 10 hours. Narinig mo ha?
Lunch time na, guys. We are waiting for our Akkas rider.
We're here in
And we'll see if who's going to first.
Who will be the first one
to
to ride a motorbike?
I have a malapad
Mine
noo.
is 3 minutes na lang.
Yeah, and
the rider
mine
is here
too.
na.
I think that's mine na.
Ayun, may
Wait.
car.
Hi, so ang gulo na ng hair ko kasi nag-helmet ako. We're here na sa cat. Ano yung cat? Oh, can you see? Parang nakakatakot sila.
As a tourist, this is the first station.
So, nandito kami sa mga cats. Look, so cute. Ano, ang cute. Ay, buntis yun? Parang buntis siya. Sabi ng mga pusa, ano ba tumulat na disturbo? Ito, cute. Ang cute mo. Baba ka kaya dito? Taste test. Ano? Hi guys, so gagawa ako ng thesis. Tapos si Vincent magsusunod. So we're done na sa Meow Cafe.
Uwi na po kami kasi wala na po kaming perang pang dinner.
Yes.
Update guys. Uwi na po kami. Welcome to my guys.
We're here na sa Sirao Garden.
Sirao.
Yeah, kasi it's araw.
Sirao. Ano ang so amazing?
This is ano, Little Amsterdam daw.
Because
Look
you
at
can
that.
visit Amsterdam.
Wow. Guys ha, paglalaro muna kami ng ganda-ganda.
In-game po kami ngayon, sorry guys.
Ang ganda dito.
Kita, naka-video eh.
We're now at the Temple of Leia
I'm exhausted.
because we take a picture at Sirao Garden for 1 hour. na sa Towers Temple. And ayaw mag-picture ni Vincent.
Enjoying the view na lang. I'm
We're here at the wishing well. Hi guys! Nasa Cebu. Lechon kami. We're going to eat lechon. And it's his first time to eat lechon here in Cebu. Gutom na kami as in super duper. Right?
Yeah, nag-ulan na kami.
Kung naglalaway na yung tongue namin.
So, tagal. Serving is so tagal. Baka mamaya pag madaliin kami ng service.
Yeah. Naka-joiner kasi kami. Maganda yung light. Wala na kaming masabi kasi gutom na kami. Nagtimpla na kami ng toyo. Toyo na kain.
Ganun. Sisiguro.
Long. Update long. Lechon. Hindi pala Cebuchon. This is Kois Lechon.
Pwede mo nakita. At naisip mo pa mag-connect ka naman.
Ito na po yung lechon namin. Kakain na kami. Thank you. Let's eat. We're eating a gelato.
Sarado.
Yeah, it's vanilla flavor and the yogurt one. May ubo ko. May ubo ka rin. May ubo kami pareho and nagja-gelato kami. How ironic is it? As a social siyempre. It's so yummy. You should try it.
Papatingin mo sa kanila.
Yeah, you should come here in Cebu.
Getting
Bagay
tired.
dito yung yung sa docket.
Kaya mo na. There's always next time.
Wala na. Sa ano na tayo next time? Out of the country. Manifesting. Di ba?
Sa ibang
What
bansa na
if?
tayo mamumulutin.
Wala na. Tapos convert ng Philippine peso. Wala, mahal niya.
Mahal.
Let's look forward to it.
Ang next target po namin ay
Santa. Thailand, Bali,
maganda rin sa Taiwan.
Taiwan, Korea. Have so much. Kaya mapagpunta mo doon, wala yung mga kagaya sa K-drama.
Nagdadala kasi ng filter. Cinematography. Pero gusto ko nga mapuntahan yung mga bahay nila. Mga
Oo,
naging bahay
yung
nila
sa mga
K-drama.
K-drama. Nakita ko yun. May tour ata na ganun.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So kami makarating sa border ng North Korea at
South.
South.
Di ba, mas strict sa North?
Mas?
Mas
Oo.
strict. It's so scary.
Bawal pumunta ang South sa North, bawal ang North sa South.
Yeah. Sarap. Ang sarap ng yogurt niya. Mas masarap pa sa liao-liao.
Yaw. I haven't tried it. Because
You should try it.
there's so many queue every time I order. I don't have the time.
Here sa Cebu, sa Suicide, walang nakapila. Hindi na alam.
Fuerte de San Pedro, 1565.
Port of San Pedro.
The Fort of San Pedro described as an official report of naging reporter. So we're here inside of the Fort San
San
Pedro,
Pedro.
1565. The founder of the found in 1729.
Yeah.
It's like a museum.
It's a museum. It's gallery.
tingin siya. Ayan, ganyan-ganyan lang siya.
We're going to visit. Napoboring na sila sa vlog natin.
Because our vlog is this way.
Here. What's in here? Oh my God.
She's so tanga.
Like you remember
The what?
yung bahay ni Rizal sa atin.
No.
Ganito lang din siya kabahay.
No, bahay of his house that is boring.
No,
We're so
it's
arty,
boring like
guys.
this din. Uy, ano pang... Oh, it's
like a park.
nothing.
No, it's nothing. There's nothing to see there.
Okay. So this is it, Pansit.
Yeah.
Oh, it has...
Ito guys, honest reaction, the gallery is so kind of boring. Like, it's so luma.
Yeah.
They should modernize the gallery over there.
Maybe this is
Let's go
bago.
to the comfort room.
Where's the comfort?
Over there, I saw this.
Okay, we're going to use the comfort room.
So, hindi siya for wash hands, for wash bay siya.
That's picture. Alright, so we're here na sa 10K Roses and it's so init. Like FR, not gonna lie.
Picture.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog, so this will be my last meal here in Cebu. I'm gonna miss this. Arte.
Yeah, uwi na siya ng Laguna. Bye! Bye!
Bye-bye.
You
So,
should
guys, for the last-
kwento your experience on your tour.
Regarding,
So how was it?
Regarding my tour, I'm quite disappointed about our Cebu tour
Why?
kanina because so freaking hot. Like
Well,
the
Cebu is
10,000,
hot.
like the 10,000 roses. I didn't appreciate
enjoy the view because
Yeah.
it's so init, like
Wait
it's
lang,
all
I'm
the
gonna show
sun.
to them my QR code for my free glazed donut.
Yeah, he is going to claim his freedom. I think we're speaking. Look, I don't have ayos na kasi I'm so tired now.
Then the next trip, 9 p.m. alis.
Yeah, I think it's 15 minutes difference pala or 30 minutes.
8:45.
Yeah, he's going to take the bus to the airport.
Yeah, because you don't want to attend me sa airport.
Yeah, because I don't have a sasakyan.
You don't have any what?
Sasakyan.
Yeah, we don't have any car here. Like, we only have here is ourselves.
Yeah. So where are we going now?
I don't know.
You want to go to the bus na?
So early pa kasi.
Or just upo lang? You can upo here.
Oh, naiihilit ako.
Me too. Here. May CRD.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
We're going down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna timber.
So how was your trip there in Cebu? Like fall?
Overall, it was quite good except sa last day ko. Kanina.
But
Like-
you're happy with the Cereal Garden, right?
Yeah. I have so many pics na pwede kong i-upload.
Yeah, so let's upload it na.
Yeah. So hi guys, we're here sa
Patong Airport.
terminal for the bus airport. My flight is 6:50 a.m. in the morning. Mamayang April 3. Kaya umalis na ako ngayon kasi hindi ako ihahatid ng isa dyan.
Time check, it's only 21.
8:21.
Parang sa side.
Yeah, you don't know how to use military time.
I have
Anyway,
class kaya tomorrow.
same.
You have exam pa na.
Yeah, I have my exams. It's multiple choice, so I'm just gonna make it hula na lang.
Yeah, you should use the vibration method. You
Yeah,
know
I don't know the vibration method.
We're going to do that. Tapos kung sino yung nag-vibrate, like this, B.
Oh no, it's so it's so tricky. Like, what if I know the answer then it vibrate the wrong letter? You know, guys,
That's why it's not yeah.
there's so many handsome boys here.
No. There's only one.
Malandi siya. Pakalandi niya. She's so malandi, guys. There's only one daw.
Yeah, it's one. I'm so tired na guys. We don't have sleep for
Hoy,
4 days.
parang kada biyahe nga tulog tayo. Feeling we don't have sleep. Kahit nga yung 30 minutes na biyahe, tulog tayo. Kahit yung mga 10 minutes, tulog kami, guys.
So masarap to sleep kasi
Yeah.
kapag nasa biyahe since it's moving.
It's shaky. Like, sanay kasi kami sa nakalaw.
Very cringy, right?
Yeah. Ang tagal ng bus, guys.
Yeah, I think we're going to wait for at least 1 hour.
Si OA. Anyway, ko naman hanggang nasa kaya.
Oh, how should I go?
Call Mark.
What can he do?
Call a taxi. She's
What
very
can
rich.
someone?
She's very rich. She owns a property in...
At least you're first here. Look,
Yeah, first in the
look.
line. First. I'm the first. I'm the first owner here.
We don't have something to talk to now.
Yeah, because we already talked about it last night. Yeah, that's why we slept like 1 a.m.
Yeah, because it's not sleep.
Because she's so talkative. She's so talkative. I don't have face mask, guys. I'm so scared.
Yeah, you should cover your learner.
Every time?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You should buy a mask.
It's too expensive kasi eh.
What if nagcover tayo ng phone?
That's good. Tingin mo yan. Like, I have class ng 7:30 because I have flight nga, dating ko yung 7:45. I'll be at school na lang ng mga lunch.
And it's relevant.
What? Yeah, it's my prelim exam. And here I am. Sorry. They're struggling, like
How many exams have you
they're
left?
studying.
Huh? How many exams? Six.
The exams that I missed is 6 subjects, included na
Is
yung
that 6?
laboratory.
No, is that 6?
Ay, 5 and 1, 6. Or 3. And then, the remaining subjects that I have is 6, 7, 8. It's like 4 subjects
six?
pa. Yeah, I guess other 6, 1, 2, 3. Yeah,
You
other
have exams
6.
in lab if
Yeah.
it's spelling.
Yeah.
What the exam?
Written, sometimes practical. This will be my my last appearance in her vlog. She will update you later when
No,
she
I
got
will
home.
not.
No, you'll
I'm
update
going to
them.
goodbye natin.
No, you'll update
No,
them.
what will I say?
Like,
Someone?
hi guys, I'm home na.
No, this is the end, guys.
I'm home
Sorry.
na. Like,
not going to
this
do
is
that.
where he sleeps when he's here. Like
I'm not
that.
going to do that because I'm
So,
so tired.
show to them the mess we made.
Oh, Emily, that's so kadiri.
No. Show them your
don't
show them your
want.
boxer brief under the
No, I don't want.
She's like
Hoy, I'm malinis
she's like a
ha.
snake.
No, I'm not ha.
Yes, you are. Oh, that's from the airport.
Ay,
No, don't reveal it. That's me, myself, and I lang nakakaalam. She'll gonna edit this vlog by next year.
yeah, I'm going to edit that next year.
And then,
And then, it's going to book a trip again. Where?
Taipei,
Korea.
Taiwan. No, that's that's too heavy pa for us. That's,
So, Taiwan. Can we handle ourselves there?
yeah, there's some maps naman, di ba? I survive in maps.
But this, they do speak in English.
Say song. See, I can communicate very well.
So, you know how to speak in Taipei.
It is Cantonese.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm right. If Cantonese is Chinese, and
Correct me if I'm wrong.
correct us if I'm wrong. If Chinese is Cantonese,
We're just manifesting,
yeah, we're broke right now.
Yeah, like FR. may baon for the 2 months is ubos na.
May baon, like, is very liit. So, I don't know how to save money ulit.
Yeah. Going to...
Oh, there's the bus na. So, dito na lang po namin i-end yung vlog namin. See you next vlog. See you next
Bye.
year. See you in Taiwan.
Subscribe.
See you in Taiwan. Bye.